Hello there, fellow adventurers. Have you ever heard of the magical substance called Shilajit? Brace yourself, because today I'm about to unlock the secrets of this extraordinary gift from Mother Nature. Get ready to discover the mind-blowing benefits and learn how to incorporate it into your daily routine. Let us know in the comments if you are going to use Shilajit in your daily life routine. Part 1. The Ancient Wonder. Let's start with the basics. Shilajit is a natural resin found in the heart of the majestic Himalayas. For centuries, it has been revered as a powerful source of wellness and vitality. Its name is derived from Sanskrit, meaning Conqueror of Mountains. And oh boy, does it live up to its name? Part 2. The Fountain of Youth. Did you know that Shilajit is known as the destroyer of weakness and the conqueror of mountains? Its high mineral content makes it a powerhouse of nutrients, containing over 85 trace minerals, fulvic acid, and essential vitamins. These elements work together harmoniously to revitalize and nourish our mind, body, and soul. Part 3. Unveiling the Benefits. Get ready for your jaw to drop, because Shilajit offers a wide range of impressive benefits. It boosts energy levels, enhances cognitive function, strengthens the immune system, and enhances athletic performance. Additionally, it supports bone health, improves digestion, and promotes natural detoxification. Simply put, it's an all-in-one elixir to unlock your inner potential. Part 4. The path to transformation. Now that we know about the incredible benefits, let's dive into how we can incorporate a Shilajit into our daily lives. One of the most common ways is to consume it in its pure resin form. Remember, a little goes a long way, so start with a pea-sized amount and gradually increase as your body adjusts. Alternatively, Shilajit can be mixed with warm water, herbal teas, or even smoothies for a nourishing and rejuvenating beverage. You can also find Shilajit in capsules or powder form, making it even more convenient for your daily routine. Part 5. The Final Word. Before we conclude this enlightening journey, it's important to note that Shilajit is a natural substance that should be consumed responsibly. It's always wise to consult a healthcare professional or a qualified expert to ensure it aligns with your individual needs and current health status. So, my fellow adventurers, are you ready to unlock your inner energy? Shilajit offers us an ancient secret packed with immense benefits. From revitalizing your mind to strengthening your body, this gift from the Himalayas can truly transform your life. Embrace the power of Shilajit and embark on a journey to unleash your incredible potential. Thank you for joining me on this awe-inspiring adventure. If you found this video informative and captivating, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Until next time, stay curious, stay energized, and keep exploring the wonders of our beautiful world.